Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello friends, here it is given 10-pound rod of uniform cross section. The weight of the rod is given 10 pound, is used to form a shaft shown in figure. Knowing that rods it rotate with constant angular velocity of 12 radian per second. Calculate its total kinetic energy. So we can find the mass of the rod will be weight upon g, that is 10 upon 32.2. So mass of the rod is 0.31056 slug. Angular velocity is given 12 radian per second along x-axis. Y direction it is 0 and z direction it is also 0. So moment of inertia, total energy will be half Ix omega square, because Iy and Iz is 0, so it becomes 0, and here Ix having the value 4 into 1 by 3 m dash a square, 2 into m dash a square is equal to 10 by 3 m dash a square. It consists of 5 sections. So its the moment of inertia you can find to having the value 10 by 3 into 10 by 12. So it becomes 0.089861 Silex feet square. So it will be half Ix means 89861 into omega, that is 12. So you will get 6.47 pound feet. That is the answer for it. Thanks for watching it.